So this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. If you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comment. Yesterday we did this analysis on gold, and I told you guys clearly that gold will give us a pullback. This was a pullback that I predicted that markets will do. If you have not watched it, go back to the channel to watch it so you can confirm the movement. I mean, from this movement, we have been predicting a bullish move, right? Now we've got to this pullback that we're expecting. Our next movement on gold will be a bullish move. So we are expecting gold to push up back to a level of 5,598. That is our next level, right? This is the level, or let's say 5,600. That should be the level we will be expecting on our gold. Why are we going to be expecting that movement? Is that when you take a look at it, you can clearly see a series of higher high and higher low playing out. That is to tell you that market is trending to the upside, right? So for quick analysis, if this is seen as our higher high, here is our higher low. Then this is our higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, our next movement on gold will be a bullish move that should form a new higher high. So this is one of the reasons why we'll be seeing that bullish move to hit a level of 5,600. More updates on gold we covered, right? All you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You'll find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.